Namaskar, good morning. I'm Mrinmoy on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society. Welcome you all to this great idea sharing platform that is ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. So I'm here again back to share with you an innovative idea from State UP for the subject English, chapter 12 of class 5. That is theme-based attendance. As we all know that the time period that is allotted for the class of a particular class at school and the attendance period or the time period that the teacher need to spend to take the attendance has already been covered or been included within that time duration. So it's almost 20 minutes of the class get wasted when the teacher used to have the attendance session in the classroom. So how this attendance time period need to be utilized in an innovative way, let's see. Why this idea has been, how this idea can be an innovative one, let's see. Innovation here is used to attendance as a medium of learning in the classroom scenario, that is, students need to reply a word from the chapter instead of saying present. This idea will help in better and long retention of the concepts, because this exercise will continue on a daily basis. That's what the longer retention of the concept is possible in the children or the child's mind. So the duration of the activity can be done within 20 minutes. Then what kind of concepts can be covered? For example, the concepts that can be covered through this idea, that is of a vocabulary, okay, words building, etc. Instruction that the educator need to give, that the theme of the attendance is vocabulary today, and roll calls can be called in sequential order for the attendance. What are the rearrangements or the pre-arrangements need to do? The educator needs to make the following arrangements in the classroom. What kind of arrangements the educator need to do? They are: write the words from the poem on the board, okay, revising the concept of vocabulary under the idea that is theme-based attendance. Listen to your, then the educator will say that listen to your roll number or roll call and say aloud a difficult word along with its meaning according to the theme attendance instead of saying present. Maintain discipline in the class while performing that activity. Then the educator need to conduct the activity in the following manner. Students will be called according to their roll number. For example, roll number 1, roll number 2, and so on. Each student will stand and say that a word and its meaning to the above mentioned theme. For example, roll number 1, Riya, the word that has been said by, that will be said by Riya, that is wear, that is in Hindi it will be pehenna, right? Roll number 2, Priya, that will be fresh, that in Hindi it will be taza. So and the same process will continue until every student answer the respond as per the roll number. Okay, now the educator will conclude that this manner students will remember the difficult words through attendance. What kind of learning outcomes can be achieved through this activity getting implemented in the classroom? That is, they can recite and share English songs, poems, games, riddles, stories, etc. Use meaningful, grammatically correct sentences to describe and narrate incidents and to frame questions. Look up the answers and write them down correctly. This activity can be continued until the last roll number. Students must pay attention to the words responded to by the other students. This activity ensures active participation of students inside the classroom based on the assumption, which is a key aspect of prior learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. The duration for the implementation of this innovative idea will be based on the assumption of pupil-teacher ratio, that is of 30:1. So likewise, you can come up with, you can access with many other innovative ideas if you download the app of Innovative Pathshaala, and make sure to subscribe our channel of ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. Thank you for listening to my video, and make sure to press the bell icon to subscribe to get the future updates in near future. Thank you. Namaskar.